Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is really going to be interesting because the type of question that we are going to solve here is generally asked in a lot of competitive programming. Okay, like not exactly the type I would say, but the input and output that we are going to give here. That is a lot similar to what we have in CP these days. So let's dive straight into the question. You will understand why I'm saying this. So right now here we are given an integer n, and we need to create an array of n integers or size n, okay, where the summation of the whole integer, like all the values in the integer, all the values in the arrays, is going to be 0. Okay, now how will we do that? Because there are infinite possibilities and there could be multiple answers. Okay, so that's the beauty of the question. So let's dive straight into the explanation and we'll understand how to do that. So let's say in our example we have n is equal to 5, 4 and 5. Okay, so what we'll do is we will divide this n into divide by 2. Okay, so our n is equal to n by 2. Okay, so our new n is going to be 2. Let me do one thing. Let me store this in a different array, different variable. Temp is equal to n by 2. Okay, so our temp is 2 right now. Okay, and what we'll do is we will have 2 pointers. One is start and the other is end. Okay, so we will be going, you will be using a while loop. We'll go from start, we will come to towards the center by incrementing the start and decrementing the end. And at every place we can do one of the two things. Okay, at the start I will give temp, and at the end I will give negative of temp. Okay, we can do this, or at the start I can give negative of temp and here I can give temp at the end. Okay, only one of the two things. So for this example, what we'll be doing is at the start I will give temp and at the end I will give negative of temp. After this I will decrement my temp. Okay, so let's do a small walkthrough from this example. So right now our temp is 2. We are at start. Start is going to be temp, end is going to be negative of temp. After this I will decrement. So temp will become 1, start will increment, end will decrement. So right now start is here, end is here. Okay, so this is going to be temp, this is going to be negative of temp. Again start, temp will be 0. Okay, so this will be 0. Now if you will see this, let me remove all this and this. If you will see, the summation of this is 0. Okay, so we are going to follow this thing in the same way in the code. If you understood how this code works, then you can pause here and you can write your code and you can come back and check how I have done this code. And if you want to continue, then be my guest. So first thing that we need to do is we need to create a vector. Okay, and I will name it as result and size is going to be n. Now we need 3 things right now, 3 variables. One is start, one is end, and the other is temp. So let's create that. First let me create this temp. Okay, next is going to be start pointer, and last is going to be end pointer. While start is less than equal to end, what we'll do is result of start, that is going to be temp, and result of end, that is going to be negative of temp. Temp will decrement, start will increment, and will decrement. Okay, and at the end we'll return our result. So let me run this. Okay, so it's really that simple. Now, one thing that let's see the answers for the already given values, right? Our examples. So if you will see here, our output is 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, but you can see that expected is minus 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 2. Still, our solution is getting accepted. This is because the criteria that they are asking for, that is the summation is equal to 0, that is matched. So the values right now in this case, it doesn't matter because there are multiple correct answers. Okay, you will be facing a lot of these type of questions in competitive programming, like if you are doing code forces or ad coder, top coder, Google Kickstart, all those sorts of things, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you like this. Do let me know if you have any other suggestions, queries, or doubts for me to solve from any other platform. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.